Nagbabalik po ang News at 1. Sa mga oras na ito, dako muna tayo sa Palasyo ng Malacanang para po sa mga mahalagang balita doon. Nakatutok doon ang aming kasamang si Elena Luna, mag-uulat ng live.
Kirby, nakatakdang mag-ikot si Pangulong Aquino sa mga pangunahing pier, airports at terminal ng bus anumang araw sa loob ng linggong ito para personal na tiyakin na ipinatupad ang kanyang mga direktiba sa mga inatasang ahensya ng pamahalaan. Sa katatapos-tapos lamang na press briefing ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, hindi niya masabi kung ano ang eksaktong araw na gagawin ito ng Pangulo, pero ayon sa kanya ay regular naman itong ginagawa ng Pangulo tuwing mahal na araw.
This is with respect to the inspection, the President always makes it a point makes a point to inspect terminals to ensure there's the safety and convenience of our Filipino riding public. Holy Week is an occasion for families to go home to their respective provinces to spend time with their families and also to reflect upon the suffering of Jesus. So let's just wait for the announcement of Yusek Marfil with respect to when the President, what time, where he will conduct the inspection.
Ayon rin kay Secretary Lacerda ay patuloy na nagmo-monitor si Pangulong Aquino sa mga nagaganap sa bansa kahit pa Holy Week. Kasama na daw dito ang paparating na bagyo na anumang araw ay maaaring pumasok sa bansa. Sinabi ni Secretary Lacerda na kaugnay nito ay nakahanda na ang NDRRMC at iba pang ahensya ng pamahalaan at ang DSW daw ay meron ng mga prepositioned na goods.
Year, the President was supposed to spend a quiet Holy Week, but unfortunately, as you all know, as you remember, we were in the midst of the SARS? MERS-CoV, sorry, my apologies, MERS-CoV virus. That's why the President was in the thick of meeting with several cabinet officials at that time. So hopefully the storm there's a possibility of a storm, so again, all hands on deck, regardless of whether it's the entire country is contemplating on Holy Week. As far as government is concerned, as far as the President is concerned, all hands on deck with any expected or unforeseen situations, incidents that may arise during Holy Week.
Samantala, Kirby, sa issue naman ng pagharap ni Pangulong Aquino sa pagdinig sa House of Representatives, sinabi ni Secretary Lacerda na nasagot na ng Pangulo ang 20 tanong na inihanda para sa Pangulo ng Makabayan Bloc. Ibinigyang diin din ni Secretary Lacerda ang separation at independence ng executive sa legislative or legislatura.
Mga tanong, in fact, the questions themselves posed by, if anyone looks at the questions posed by the Makabayan Bloc, most of them have been responded one way or the other by the President. The question is, ba't niyo tinatanong ulit? Siguro you don't want the answers the President gave. One reason, or you're not satisfied with the President's statement, or there's a line that you want the President to say. So, but again, you want the truth to come out, and since these are 20 questions that you asked, you're members of the House of the Representatives, it's up to you to go through, and the House leadership to go through the procedure, and ensuring, however, that the separation of powers and the co-equal branch, the respect to the co-equal branch is maintained.
At yan, Kirby, ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang. Sa tulong ng RTVM, ako si Elena Luna para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Elena.